day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two Redmi Watch 5 smartwatches. The first version, or the first model here, is the Redmi Watch 5 Active, followed by the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So these are the latest smartwatch, or the latest smartwatches from Redmi, and on this video we are going to compare these two smartwatches, the specs, we are going to compare the design, as well as the menus and features loaded to these smartwatches. So if you are interested to see the difference between the Redmi Watch 5 Active and the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, watch this video. And if you have some questions, drop a comment below. And of course, support our YouTube channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and compare the two smartwatches. As you can see here, we do have the same packaging for the wearable. Almost the same layout here for the details and some of the information on the box. For the contents, the same. We do have the user manual as well as the charging cable, similar charging cable. So this is the charging cable here. So the same. For Active, we have here the Active, and we have the Lite version. So the same charging cable, USB type A. For the design, before we proceed to the design, let's check first the specs. So we have here the specs. So this is the Watch 5 Active and the other one is the Lite. So there's a difference on the screen display here. 2.0 inch LCD, 320 by 385 pixel for the Watch 5 Active. For the Lite, we do have the much smaller, okay, 1.96 but premium AMOLED screen display with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution. It has a built-in 5 system GNSS. We don't have it here on our Watch 5 Active. The same battery life, 18 days. 518 waterproof, yes. And 150 plus sports mode for our Lite. For our Active here, we only have 140 plus sports mode. Okay. So what are the details here? Additional details? None. Only the model number. Okay. So let's proceed with the design of the wearable. Okay, so again, this is the Redmi Watch 5 Active and the other one is the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. The Redmi Watch 5 Active do have a slight bigger body frame. For the length, much longer here as you can see. For the width, so there's a difference here as you can see, almost 0.5 centimeter. Okay, for the thickness, the same. Let's see. 9mm. The same with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So we measured it previously on our video. Okay, 9mm. For the length, let's see. 46 okay millimeter. The other one, so we do have around 48, okay, 48mm. For the width here, we have 38. For our Watch 5 Lite, 46. Okay, AMOLED screen for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, LCD for our Redmi Watch 5 Active. So let's check on the weight here. With the strap attached, let's see, we have 42.69, around 43 for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. For our Active, 44.24. Okay, just see minor difference when it comes to weight. For the material, we do have a plastic body frame for our Redmi Watch 5 Active, metal body frame for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So premium looking, both are premium looking but much better when it comes to design and material for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. At the back, they have the same material and design. Okay, as you can see here, the same, just the same. Okay, again for the design, let's take a look side by side. The same power button here for the size. Glossy metal frame for our 5 Lite. For our 5 Active, it is plastic material with a brush finish. Both do have a quick release pin and sporty strap. Okay, so we are done with the design. So let's check on the menus and features of the smartwatches. For the UI, on top we have notifications, so the same. So let's adjust the brightness of this. So we'll have similar comparison brightness. Okay. Again, notifications. The bottom part we have the settings here, so the same style. Then on the left side and right side, the same. Okay, you can really see the difference. You can really notice the difference here when it comes to the sharpness of the screen display. I don't know if you can notice it here on the video. Okay, so the same UI here, I think. Okay, for the offered menus and features, let's see. Just press the power button. So we do have workouts, history. Okay, we don't have, let's see, just again, we'll make it 1 minute. Okay, so you can check it properly. So we do have the workouts, history. We do have statistics. We don't have this on the Redmi Watch 5 Active. We do have the running feature here. Okay, seems like we don't have it here. We do have the stats, heart rate, vitality score, blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, stress, breathing guide, weather. We have calendar, events, so the same. Task, favorite contacts. We have here the phone for the Bluetooth call, music control function. We do have a camera, alarm, focus, stopwatch. We also have here the timer, world clock, find phone, flashlight, and we have these settings. Watch faces, notification options, let's see. So the same. Sound and vibration, display, Brightness, cover to sleep, raise to wake, yes, the same. Tap to wake. Okay, so we don't have an always on display here, as you can see, but we have it here. We have always on display functionality. Default theme we also have here. We don't have it here. Go back. Do not disturb mode, night mode. We have auto detect, yes, we also have here. And workout reminders, so the same. Layout, so the same options. Pin, battery, the system, and about this watch. So the difference on the settings is the always on display option that available in the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Okay, next, let's have the workout. Auto running, let's see the difference. Okay, we have multiple G and SS, so we also have it here. Okay, but it is not listed on the box. I don't know if this is connected GPS. I haven't tested it yet. Okay, goal, interval training, alerts, AI pacer, auto pause, and we have an always on display here. Outdoor running, let's see, go. Or GPS location. As you can see here, still waiting while we have it here already. I think it also has a built-in GPS. I need to confirm this. Wait. So I need to check it again if it's a... Okay, so it is connected GPS. Okay, as you can see. Connect your watch to your phone to be able to record route information. So I disable the, or I disconnect it from the Bluetooth call or from the Bluetooth connectivity. I turned off the smartphone as well as the app, and as you can see here, it is asking to connect to the phone. Okay, so and I guess it is connected GPS. While we have it here on the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, it has its own built-in GPS. Okay, so hiking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, jump rope, pole swimming, and more. Let's see if they have the same number of sports functions here. We have a water sports. We don't have a water sports here. So we have at least water sports 17, training, outdoor activities 10, training 40, dance 14, combat sports 12, the same number of ball sports, winter sports, the same, games 5, and 3 other items. Okay, so the addition when it comes to the sports is the water sports function. We have at least 17 here. Okay, other else they all have the same number of sports functions. Okay, so that's it. The difference on the sport, it is the built-in GPS. Okay, and we have here the other one, the running feature here for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. We don't have it here on our Redmi Watch 5 Active, and of course the always on display. Okay, so now you know the difference when it comes to the menus and features, and of course the preloaded watch faces. So that's it for the comparison review of the design as well as the menus and features of our Redmi Watch 5 Active and the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So if you are interested to see or to know more about the smartwatch, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share this video. Bye!